Hello students, today we will see about respiratory system. So what is the definition? It is a system which includes the parts which required for the air passage and lungs where gases exchange takes place. So functions of respiratory system is mainly respiration and voice production because of the presence of the larynx in the respiratory system. So these are the parts of the respiratory system. In this diagram you can see. So it continues with the nose, then pharynx, that is nasopharynx, then larynx, then trachea, it is a windpipe, and then bronchus. There are two, right bronchus and left bronchus, and then bronchioles, and then it consists of the lungs. So covering of the lungs, there are two coverings. It is called as pleura. So inner visceral layer and outer parietal layer, and the space is called as pleural space, and in that pleural fluid is present, and function of pleural fluid is mainly to lubricate this pleura and the protection of lungs from injury, shock, and then gives nutrition to the lungs. Breathing movements in man. So it is a mechanism in which two movements are there, that is inspiration and expiration. So what is inspiration? It is intake of the air, and expiration is expulsion of the or removal of the air. So in that the diaphragm, intercostal muscles, ribs and sternum, these are the parts mainly required for the breathing mechanism. So in that diaphragm, in inspiration it is an active process and expiration is a passive process. So in inspiration, diaphragm contracts and it flattens, and expiration, diaphragm relaxes and it moves upwards. Then intercostal muscles contract, in expiration intercostal muscles relax. Then ribs and sternum. So in inspiration, ribs and sternum moves upwards and outwards, and in expiration the ribs and sternum moves downwards and inwards. So in this way, inspiration, in that thoracic volume is increased and pressure is decreased, and therefore air is moved in. म्हणजे व्हॉल्यूम वाढतो, प्रेशर कमी होतं आणि मग हवा आतमध्ये येते. जसं आपण फुगा फुगवताना आपण व्हॉल्यूम वाढवतो आणि मग हवा आतमध्ये जाते. And then in expiration, the thoracic volume decreases because air pressure increases, and then air is moved out. So like it happens in a balloon, की ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण बाहेरून प्रेशर दिला तर हवा बाहेर निघते. So this is in short inspiration and expiration. Thank you.
I hope this session you will find useful. Thank you.